Hello. Today I'm just going to go through all of these shells I recently got from my mom, who has a lot more shells than this. She didn't want these anymore, so since we're already playing with muriatic acid, I'm just going to try dunking some of these in to see which ones will pearlize and if it cleans them. I know it's a destructive cleaning method, but we have a bunch of shells. So I'm just gonna go through and see what happens. So we ended up soaking these in muriatic acid for 5 to 10 minutes and then neutralizing in a bath of water and baking soda, scrubbing with soapy water and a toothbrush, and kind of repeating that cycle. Trying to keep an eye on them to make sure they aren't getting too destroyed, because this can be a destructive process, as you can see with these guys, which I think this one actually turned out pretty cool. Some shells turned out okay, but definitely these sort of spiral cone-shaped ones, if anyone knows what they are, I'd love to know, because I honestly have no idea, but they pearlize like crazy. And yeah, even repeating the process over and over, somehow this one, the little star of the show, only took one 5 or 10 minute dunk in muriatic acid and ended up like this, and it didn't need any more. Whereas some of these others may have taken like five dunks